Good afternoon, I'm Zack Morazzini. I'm the Director of the Office of Administrative Hearings, or OAH. The office is established as an independent agency to provide fair, neutral, and efficient due process hearings for over 1,600 state and local agencies, including many cities, counties, school districts, and other government agencies. We were tasked by the legislature back in 1945 to take some pressure off the Superior Court system and bring the administrative types of cases that deal with vocation, education, different licensings, and bring them into an independent agency that can provide fair, efficient, neutral hearings in a very timely manner. So as we developed the strategic goals for my office, we had that in mind, how to ensure our customers are getting the services in a timely manner that they're entitled to and that our critical mission is charged with providing them. So my first two strategic goals for 2016 are in that vein. The first one is to implement a comprehensive tracking system for hearing processes and refine those processes times by goal and step. When an agency or a city or a county comes to us in need of a hearing because there's a dispute between the parties, we have a lot of processing we have to do. And so to take a data-informed approach to this, we're going to develop a system where we can monitor each step in the process of a case's life in our office so that we can actually find bottlenecks, directly address them, and keep the cases moving through in a fair and efficient manner. The second one is to establish a system to regularly publish those processes by times and steps. This has two parts to it, so we can internally see how we're doing as an agency, but also in the name of transparency so that our client agencies can hold us accountable for how we're doing. Are we taking too long? And we can be accountable to those agencies as we process their cases. The third is in the vein of justice delayed is justice denied. People's livelihoods and children's educations are in the administrative law judge's hands, and we want to ensure that we're getting these cases fairly and efficiently processed in a timely manner so that people can know their rights and their responsibilities and move on with their lives. So the third one is to issue our decisions on time in 90% of the cases for the General Jurisdiction Division. In those instances where it's just not possible to get that decision out timely, I want to ensure that 90% of those late decisions are issued within 15 days of being late so that these decisions, these people's lives, aren't just hanging out there in the balance. They're moving forward and we're moving forward. And finally, in my Special Education Division, I want to ensure that within 45 days of a school district or a parent filing a complaint regarding the special needs of the student, I want to ensure that 98% of those cases come in and get out within the statutorily required 45 days. I think the public and our customers deserve this, and I'm very excited to move forward as we develop and implement these strategic goals for 2016.